Electronic enthusiasts, hobbyists, or makers looking for a small Arduino development board may be interested in the AAduino Zero designed and created by Johann Ken Flo. The tiny Arduino board, which will soon be launching via the Crowd Supply website, and takes the form of a wireless Arduino clone which is the size of a AA battery. The new AAduino Zero development board is powered by a modern, powerful, and power-efficient STM32L0 processor. The RFM69C companions is the same, and a TMP102 is used for temperature measurements. The AAduino Zero will also be equipped with a serial flash for wireless updates. Unfortunately, no information on pricing or worldwide availability has been released as yet, but as soon as information comes to light, we will keep you updated as always. In the meantime, if you'd like to register your interest in being contacted when the AAduino Zero development board is added to the Crowd Supply,